Hi guys, this is Cheems. Yeah, I changed the name and this video is for telling you what's going on. First of all, I should mention this. You can see a little trick in the video title. Yeah, it updates the number of views, comments and likes. It may not be accurate and most of the time it takes a few minutes to update the title. I already uploaded a video to show you how to do that. If you are a YouTuber, it would be really helpful for you. Okay, let's return to the point. I started this channel in April due to the pandemic stress and I didn't expect to keep this going. But later, I realized that I should contribute continuously to the society because I got a lot of loyal subscribers. Actually, there are more than that. So I thought of creating accounts on other social media platforms, but I couldn't retrieve usernames that look close to the previous name. Since then, I've been thinking of changing the channel name, but I got no time to do so. But in the last week, finally I did it. Actually, I couldn't upload a video in a little while. The reason for this is my studies. On the other hand, I'm truly bad at time management, and it was also impacted. So guys, I made a plan for the next few months, also allocated some time for the YouTube channel. So I think it would be possible to upload a video once a week. Now you guys can find me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram and GitHub. Also created a website, so if you guys can't watch a video for any reason, you can find the written version of the tutorial on the website. If you have any problem regarding a video tutorial, you can ask in the YouTube comment section. But if you don't get a good answer, feel free to contact me on Telegram for further assistance. If you find any bug in scripts that I created or shared, you can create issues and pull requests on GitHub. You can find the relevant repository in the video description of the tutorial. If you have any suggestions for a new video, you can create a request from my website. To do so, you should enter the secret key in the request form. If you guys would like to support me, I'll make a method to do so without spending a single penny. I'll let you know how to do so in the next videos. Also, I want to tell you a thing about this video. According to the latest Google update, it is possible to share folders directly in shared drives. So guys, you don't need to follow this tutorial if you just want to share a folder. But the video is still useful if you want to create a Google Drive index. Okay guys, that's all for now. Stay tuned, stay safe and thank you for watching. To watch awesome tutorials, do subscribe to the channel.